Hello students, you are warmly welcome to my YouTube channel Education WAMH. In this video, I am going to discuss first term test paper for grade 9. I invite you to subscribe my channel and watch more videos. First section, write next two terms of the given progression. We are given this progression -3, -6, then -9, -12. Then we have to find the next two terms here. How to find them? We have to find the common difference here. -6 minus -3. Without taking the first term, we can select any term and then subtract the earlier term from that. So, I have selected the second term here. -6 minus -3 is -6 plus 3. So the general common difference here is -3. Then we have to add -3 to the last term. -12 plus -3 is -15. Then -15 plus -3 -18. Then second question, write 3/4 as a percentage. We have to multiply this by 100%. 4 times 1, 4 times 25. Then 25 multiplied by 3 is 75. 75% is the answer. Question number 3. We are given this to expand. -4 times x plus y plus 2. X plus y minus 2. Here -2. To expand this, we have to multiply each term inside the bracket by the number outside the bracket. -4 multiplied by x is -4x. Then -4 multiplied by +y, -4y. -4 multiplied by -2. It becomes a positive number. 4 times 2 is 8 because the multiplication of two negatives becomes a positive. Then question number 4, simplify. We are given two fractions, 3/5 multiplied by 1/3. We can remove the common factors here. 3 and 3 can be cut off. So, the two numerators are multiplied now. 1 times 1 is 1. Then 5 times 1 is 5. 1/5 is the answer. Question number 5. If AB and CD are straight lines, find the value of x. I'll draw the given diagram here. This is the one given for us. X, then 52, then 48. As these all these three lines are straight lines, this magnitude of this angle also 52, as they are vertically opposite angles. So this is 52 degrees. Now as this is a straight line, the sum of these three angles becomes 180 degrees. So we can write x plus 48 plus 52 equals 180. The addition here is 100. 100 degree equal to 180. Then x equals 180 minus 100. That is 80 degrees. Then question number 6. We are given this. Expand and simplify. A plus 3 times a plus 2. To expand this, First, we have to select the first expression. Then a times the second expression. I can expand like this. A times a plus 2, then plus 3 times a plus 2. Then we have to remove the bracket. A times a is a square. Then a times plus 2 is plus 2a. Plus 3 times a is plus 3a. Then plus 3 times plus 2 is plus 6. Now we can add the two like terms. A squared, then plus 2a plus 3a. The addition is plus 5a plus 6. This is the final answer. It is a quadratic expression. Question number 7. If x equals 5 and y equals minus 3, find the value of the expression 2x plus 3y. We have to substitute the given values for x and y here. 2 times 5. 2 times 5 plus 3 times minus 3. I am using a bracket here. 2 times 5 is 10. Then plus 3 times plus minus 3 is minus 9. 10 minus 9, the answer is 1. Question number 8. Find the value of A and B. We are given this diagram. Here we can take the alternate angles and B equals 62. B equals 62 degrees. The reason is alternate angles as we are given two parallel lines here. So then A and B are supplementary adjacent angles. The addition is 180. I can write the equation A plus 62 degree is equal to 180 degrees. A equals 180 minus 62. Then the magnitude is 180. Then question number 9. If price of mass 0.4375 ton is distributed among 35 people, find the amount of rice received by a person. It is easy to convert this into kilograms. I'll write it here. 0.4375 tons is equal to, we can multiply by 1000 to convert it into kilograms. Then it becomes 437.5 kilograms. Now this can be divided by 35 to find the amount received by one person. 437.5 in kilograms. Dividing by 35. 35 times 1 is 35. Then the remaining here is 8. Then take this 7 here. Then 35 times 2 is 70. Then the remaining is 17. Then take 5 here. Then we have to keep the decimal point. Then 35 times 5 is 175. The remaining is 0. So 12.5 kilograms for one person. This is the answer. Question number 10. Find 3/5 of 800 rupees. 800 rupees should be multiplied by 3/5. We can remove the common factors here. 5 times 1, 5 times 160. 5 times 1, 5. Then for 35 times 6. Then we have to multiply 160 by 3. That is equal to 480 rupees. Question number 11. Find the value of y. We are given this ABC triangle. Then we can find the area in two ways. The area of a triangle is equal to half into length of the base into the perpendicular height. So I can write it in two ways. Half times one base is 10 centimeters. Then perpendicular height of it is y. Then that is equal to half into other base is 12 centimeters. Then its perpendicular height is y. This is I have done a mistake here. This is 6. Half into 10 into 6. So we can remove this half first. Then 6 times 1, 6 times 2, then 2 times 1, 2 times 5. Then y is equal to 5 centimeters. Question number 12. We are given this to solve. A simple equation. 3 times x minus 5 minus 1 equal to minus 4. First, we can remove the bracket and do the simplification. No, I can take this minus 1 to the other side. I'll do like this. 3 times x minus 5, then minus 1 plus 1 is equal to minus 4 plus 1. Then minus 1 and plus 1 can be cancelled. 3 times x minus 5 is equal to minus 3. The addition is minus 3. Now we can divide both sides by 3. 3 and 3 can be removed. Then x minus 5 is remaining. Minus 3 divided by 3 is minus 1. Then we have to take this minus 5 to the other side. X minus 5 plus 5 is equal to minus 1 plus 5. Minus 5 and plus 5 can be cancelled. X equals plus 4. This is the final answer. Question number 13. 30% of students in a school are boys. If there are 1,400 girls in that school, find the total number of students. If 30% of the school is boys, what is the percentage of girls? That is 70%. So 70 over 100 of the total, out of the total is equal to 1,400. Now we can find the total. Total is equal to 1,400 multiplying by this reciprocal of this fraction. 100 over 70. Then we can simplify like this. 7 times 1, then 7 times 200. Then the total is 2000. Question number 14. Arrange the given numbers in ascending order. We are given these numbers. 2 over 3, then 5 over 2, then 2 minus half and half. Out of the 5 numbers, this one is the least number as it is a negative number. So I can write this minus half here. Then 5 over 2. 5 over 2 is equal to 2 and half. This is equal to 2 and half if you divide 5 by 2. Then that is greater than 2. Half is less than 2. Then if you compare 2 over 3 and half. Let's compare 2 over 3 and half. We can take the common denominator as 6. Then the first fraction should be multiplied by 2. Then that is 4. Then second one by 3. So out of the two numbers, this one is the least one. 1 over 2 is less than 2 over 3. So 1 over 2 comes here. Next one 1 over 2. Then next 2 over 3. Next 2. The largest number is 2 and half. That is 5 over 2. Question number 15. A loss of 200 rupees incurred when an electric iron sold at 2300 rupees. Find the percentage of loss. That is sold at 2300. This is a loss. So what is the buying price should be? That should be 2500 as this is a loss. 2500 is the buying price. Then to take get the percentage, we have to multiply by 100%. Double zero is removed. 25 times 1, then 25 times 8. Then the answer is 8%. Question number 16. We are given this to simplify. Plus 5 minus 4 minus plus 9. We can convert these subtractions into additions by taking the additive inverse of the directed numbers. Plus 5, then subtraction becomes addition. Then what is the additive inverse of minus 4? Plus 4. Then plus minus 9. The addition of plus 5 and plus 4 is plus 9. Plus 9 plus minus 9. Same magnitudes with opposite signs. So it becomes 0. Question number 17. Find the actual length represents by 4.5 centimeters in a scale drawing drawn to the scale 1 to 50,000. The scale is 1 to 50,000 in kilometers. First we have to read this scale. This means 1 centimeter represents 50,000 centimeters. Then we have to convert this into meters first. This is equal to dividing by 100, it becomes 500 meters. Then that is equal to half kilometers. Then what is the length represented by 4.5 centimeters? This should be multiplied by 4.5. This is in kilometers. 4.5 divided by 2. 2.25 kilometers. Question number 18. Evaluate. We are given this. Square root of 7 squared into 4 squared into minus 1 squared. Here minus 1 squared is equal to 1 squared. Because a negative power of a square is equal to a positive number. Then I can write it as 7 squared, 4 squared into 1 squared. Then the square root of this one. Now I can convert this into the power of a multiplication. I can write 7 into 4 into 1, then square of this, then finally square root of this one. Then the square root and square can be removed. Then 7 times 4 times 1. Then the answer is 28. Then question number 19. Find the area of a square base of another cuboid which has the same capacity as the cuboid given in the diagram. the height of the second cuboid is 5 centimeters. Find the area of a square base of another cuboid which has the same capacity. We have to find the area of the square base. Let's take the area as a squared. Then the height is given as 5 centimeters. Then the volume of this given cuboid is 3 into 15 into 4. 5 times 1, 5 times 3. Then a squared is equal to 9 times 4. Then a equal to the square root of this one. 3 times 2, then 6 centimeters. We are asking to find the area, not the length of one side of the square base. So we can write it as 36 square centimeters, not 36 square centimeters. Then question number 20. Simplify and write the answer in the base of 10. 1, 1, 0, 1. Then addition 1, 0, 1, 0. These are in base 2. 1, 0 equal 1 plus 0 equal to 1. Then 0 plus 1 also equal to 1. 1 plus 0, 1. Then 1, 1 equals 1, 0. These are the addition rules of binary numbers. Then we have to convert this into the base 10 now. 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Then this is the relevant value in the decimal form is 2 to the power 0. That is 1. Then this one is 2 to the power 1, 2. 2 to the power 2, 4. This one 8. This one 16. Now we can add like this. 16 plus, here no value. Then 4 plus 2 plus 1. Then what is the addition? 20 plus 3 is 23. 23, then the base is 10.